The 630 Speedmac, a high-speed molder through Leadermac. Spindle configuration: bottom, inside, outside, top, bottom, and precision outboard bearings are included on all horizontal spindles. Heavy-duty top and bottom driven in-feed systems are available in various configurations. Top and side pneumatic pressure units keep your material secure. Top head chip breaker assemblies are equipped with twin air cylinders for pneumatic loading. Similarly, the pressure plates are also pneumatically loaded. Straight and profile joiners can be placed at all cutter head locations throughout the unit. Easily adjustable pneumatic controls for the feed system. Operator-friendly spindle controls are located along the front of the unit, and these are used in conjunction with any level of automation that's placed on the unit. The feed beam is supported at both the in-feed and out-feed ends by two large columns. Heavy-duty, high-speed, maintenance-free, carded shafts drive the feed works. Telco Westinghouse motors provide excellent quality. For sound mitigation, open cell acoustic foam and punched steel mesh are utilized. Thank you for considering the Leadermac 630 Speedmac.